Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to make Mozilla Firefox your default browser in Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11, and to make Firefox your default browser, simply go to your search. Here type in for settings. So you can see settings app at the top. Click and open this. In case if you are unable to find settings from here, you can always go to start, right click, and here open settings from here. Now here you need to go to apps, so you can see apps here. Click on this one. Inside here you need to go to default apps. Click on this, and here you will be able to see the list of all the apps installed, and click on search apps, and here type in for Firefox. So you can see Firefox here. Just go and open this up. By default you will be seeing a pop-up that says make Firefox your default browser. Click on set default. So here the thing that you need to make sure is that HTML is Firefox, that is Firefox is selected, then HTML is also Firefox, and the next thing is HTTP is also Firefox, and HTTPS is also Firefox. So basically these are four of the extensions or methods used to open up the websites and all the things. So in case if they are selected for some default browser, that means that browser is default browser. Now in case if you also want to open PDF with Firefox, you can also go and select here, select Firefox, click on OK. Now PDFs will also be opened by Firefox. So hope by doing so you will be able to make Firefox your default browser in Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.